This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to a high-profile location in the South Loop, directly across the street from the fabulous Grant Park, and close to dining, nightlife, colleges and universities, and a CTA Red Line stop for a tour of one of the apartments at the new 820 South Michigan. I'm in Unit 702, directly across from the site of the popular Lollapalooza Music Festival. This is a great scene in the summer and even year-round. Watch the sunrise come up over Lake Michigan. This is a studio apartment in the living, dining, kitchen area. You have very high ceilings, 12, 13 feet. Wide plank flooring continues throughout the unit. Stainless steel appliances include a dishwasher, 2-burner electric cooktop, built-in microwave, and you have pretty good cabinet and counter space for a studio apartment. Heading back toward where you would have entered the unit, it's a coat closet here. You have an attractively finished bath. Everything is new here. Wall-mounted medicine cabinet, shelving in the tub surround, deep soaking tub. Very appealing. 820 South Michigan, in addition to a terrific location in the South Loop, steps to everything location, has some of the most approachable rent levels. If you're budget conscious and looking for a great neighborhood, you really want to have 820 South Michigan on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.